Kumusta sir, ano pong nangyayari?
We have the developments in the House of Representatives. The House needs this change. The House needs to rebuild its reputation and regain its integrity. After what has happened to the anomalous budget on the flood control, we have to rebuild the public trust. And what happened with the budget and the implementation of the hundreds of billions of flood control, it is the highest form of plunder. It's plunder in the highest degree. And it's sad that it has affected the membership of the House of Representatives. I trust that the independent commission of the President will find out the truth about it, and I hope that there will be accountability. Dapat may managot, dapat may makasuhan, at dapat may makulong dahil dito sa maanumalyang flood control that has destroyed the reputation of both houses of Senate and Congress.
So you were in favor po sa pagbibitiw ni Speaker Romualdez at papalit ng liderato ng Kamara?
I am in favor of change at this point in time because we need to regain, as I said, the identity and reputation of the House of Representatives.
So yung dapat managot, isa ba doon si Speaker?
Tignan natin kung anong lalabas sa independent commission ng ating presidente, pero sigurado ako na dapat may managot para makita ng publiko at makita ng mga Pilipino na hindi basta-basta nakakalusot ang mga ganito. Marami na dapat ang nag-resign at tinanggal sa pwesto dahil dito, hindi lang sa gobyerno, kundi mismo sa private sector, sa mga contractor na involved. And I'm glad that the President has already formed the independent commission, and I would like to suggest to the President to include former Justice and former Ombudsman Carpio Morales as part of this independent commission.
What can you say about Boji D? Okay ba kayo? Siya yung papalit na Speaker, sir?
I have known him to be a good man. He has his own quiet leadership here in the House of Representatives as Deputy Speaker, and I'm ready to serve him as a floor leader in plenary.
So you will be retaining the post?
I don't know yet. We leave that to the new Speaker who will be elected, who he will choose to lead Congress with him in the 20th Congress.
What was discussed in the meeting earlier? What is being discussed right now?
We just expressed our support that if change will come in the House of Representatives, the National Unity Party will support the new leadership and help regain and rebuild the reputation of the House of Representatives.
Change of leadership lang po ba ang tanging option?
It's one of the options, and I think it's a good place to start if we want to rebuild the House of Representatives and gain public trust.
Sir, who is presiding over the meetings?
I can't say yet, Dwight.
Sir, would you know paano yung selection process ng pagpili kay Boji?
It was vetted by the party leaders, and outside from that, I can no longer say if there are any others who influenced the selection of Representative Boji.
Si Speaker nasa plenary mamaya.
Kanino pong idea yung change of leadership?
I won't answer that, but I can sense from the membership of the House that there is a need for change at this point in time.
Si Speaker nasa plenary mamaya.
I cannot say for now.
Pero kanina nandun siya, sir.
Ngayon po ba sir nandun si Speaker?
No.
Umalis na siya, sir.
Yes, Representative Boji D was present during our meeting.
So siya yung nagpe-present?
Chairman Ronnie Puno of NUP, together with the majority leader and to be Speaker, was present during our meeting.
So Sandro Marcos?
Yes, he was present.
Sir, Speaker Martin was there at the start of the meeting?
No.
On this time, wala po sa loob si Speaker?
Hindi pa kami nakita, hindi ko pa siya nakita. I have only seen Representative Boji D, the majority leader, and the members of NUP.
What was the first reaction of the Speaker nung i-flaunt yung pagpapalit ng leadership?
I can speak for the Speaker. I'm sure he was with the other members during their discussion on the change of leadership, but I won't speak for him.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.